Hello dear student of Sacred International School Khilja. Today we will discuss a new topic for 7th standard on equality. Firstly open your textbook. Firstly I will explain about what is a equality. Equality means treating everybody to equally. Everybody have a equal rights or opportunities. In this chapter, 3 stories are mentioned which are based on caste, religions, etc. So firstly, look this picture. Why people are standing here? Yes, for the voting. On election day, they all are standing here. And she is Kanta. She is talking with her friend Sujata. Today, all are equal, stand in a same line. Even Jane Sab is also standing in a line with us. She is very surprising for this. When the turn of the Kanta thinking in her mind, I will vote for the candidates who has promised to bring pipe water to our area. Next, she said bye to the Sahib and she went to her home and talking with the daughter. Her daughter is not well and she is saying to when I get back in the evening we will go to the hospital. Okay. After that, Kanta talking with the Sujata. Today I will finish my work and I will take some money from a Sahib. And after that she is thinking why Gudiya is falls ill often because of the basti is never cleaned. Turn your next page. Okay, here Kanta is clean the house of the owner and here in this picture she is taking advance from the owner. The first topic is the equal right to vote. In a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religions they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are, or whatever they are, rich or poor, are allowed to vote. This is called universal adult franchises. Kanta is excited to vote and happy that she is equal to all of others because each of them has a one vote. But when her daughter is just sick, she cannot take the day off from work because she need to borrow money from her employers to take her child to the hospital. When she was in a hospital, she is thinking, Jane Madam and Jane Saab may stand in the line to vote, but never have to do it when their children are sick. These inequality manners disturbing to the Kanta. Okay, we will talk about other kinds of equality. There are many challenges to it in the form of various inequality like living and working conditions are far from the equal. Apart from being poor, people in India experience inequality in a different ways. Okay, next I will discuss one story. This is the story of Om Prakash Valmiki. He is a famous Dalit writer. Dalit means lower caste. His word is a broken and by using this word lower caste are pointing to how they were. Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit writer. In his autobiography Jutan, he writes, I had to sit away from others in the class and that too on the floor. The method before reaching the spot I sat on, sometimes I would have to sit away behind everybody, right near the doors. Sometimes they would beat me without any reason. When he was in class 4th, the headmaster asked Om Prakash to sweep the school and the playground. This continued for a couple of days, and one day when his father saw him sweeping, he took him back home. And his father confronted the teachers and said, "You are teacher, so I am leaving now, but remember this much, master. He will study right here in this school, and not just him, but there will be more coming after him." This is the inequality on caste system. Next story is Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, who were looking to rent an apartment in the city. They had the money, and so paying the rent was no problem. They went to the property dealer for help to find a place. Dealer informed them that he knew about quite a few apartments that were available for rent. When they visited in first apartment, the Ansari liked it very much and decided to take it. When the landlady found that their names, because their names Ansari, they belongs to Muslim caste. After that, the owner landlady changed the decision. She made an excuse about she could not rent the house to someone who eat meat because the building did not have any non-vegetarian resident. Both the Ansari and the property dealer were surprised to hear this because they could smell fish being cooked in the neighborhood house. The same excuse was repeated in the second and third apartment. After that, property dealer advised to them, kindly change your name, Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. But they both are not accepted this one, and they tried so many times. In the end, it took a whole month of looking apartment before they found a landlady who was willing to give a place on the rent.